I'm outside. Okay. You don't know who I am, which you probably won't because I've never made a video before. My name's Sam. I'm 16 and I'm Welsh, and that was a bit weird. Yeah. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know. Oh my god. I'm Welsh, yeah. Never lived anywhere else, really. It's so sad. Yeah. Occasionally I say words that sound English, I don't know why. I've been to England, obviously, because you can't live in Wales for 16 years and not go to England, really. Yeah. For all you Americans that want to be British, I wouldn't. I'd rather be American than British. Mainly because British weather sucks. Yeah. So if you're American and you want to be British, just count your lucky stars that you're American. Britain sucks. Yeah, dude. I get a lot of times people say to me, "You're Welsh," and I'm like, "Yes, well done for that." And they're like, "Yeah, but you're not British." No, because Wales is not a part of Britain or anything. People, they really are something, right? Oh, there's a fly! Fly on the tripod. So, yeah, that sounds good. This is my first video and I probably won't get views or subscribers because I'm a freak. But I'm not a freak in a good way that most YouTubers are. I'm just a freak. And no one likes me. I'm alone. I'm gonna die alone. And I would have 5,000 cats, but I'm allergic to cats, so I can't. So I'm not even gonna be a crazy cat woman, I'm just gonna be a woman. A crazy woman. Yay. Fun. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me because I have no subscribers. And my Twitter is here, which is new as well, so that it hasn't got any followers. So if you could be the first one to follow, I would kiss you. Probably not, but thank you. And if you did watch this all the way through to this point, then I love you, because I don't think anybody will. Wow. That was embarrassing, right? Bye! I don't like outside.